ISRO was established in which year? (1969). Which was India's first satellite? Aryabhat. Where is Satish Dhawan Space Center located? Sriharikota. Which was India's first satellite launch vehicle? SLV. Chandrayaan 1 was launched by ISRO in which year? (2008). Which is the first space-based Indian mission to study the Sun? Aditya L1. Who was the chairman of ISRO when Mangalyaan was launched? K. Radhakrishnan. Which was the predecessor of ISRO? INCOSPAR. How many stages are there in PSLV? Four. Which launch vehicle is known as the workhorse of ISRO? PSLV. In which year ISRO launched its first foreign satellite? (1999). Who is considered as the father of the Indian space program? Vikram Sarabhai. Which is a series of sounding rockets developed by ISRO for meteorological and atmospheric study? Rohini. Which is the code name of the anti-satellite missile test conducted by India in 2019? Mission Shakti. Where is the headquarters of ISRO located? Bengaluru. To commemorate Chandrayaan 3's successful landing on the moon, August 23 is celebrated in India as which one of the below? National Space Day. Which is the commercial and marketing arm of ISRO incorporated in 1992? Antrix Corporation. Who was the first Indian to travel into space? Rakesh Sharma. Who is popularly known as the Moon Man of India? Milswamy Annadurai. Chandrayaan 1, 2, 3 and Mangalyaan were launched from which space research center? Satish Dhawan Space Center. Which Indian Institute of Technology, IIT, students designed and developed the nanosatellite Jugnu under the guidance of ISRO? IIT Kanpur. In which year Government of India established the Department of Space, DOS, and brought ISRO under DOS? 1972. Where is U.R. Rao Satellite Center located? Bengaluru. Who is widely regarded as the father of experimental fluid dynamics research in India? Satish Dhawan. Who was the chairman of ISRO when Chandrayaan 1 was launched? G. Madhavan Nair. Who served as interim chairman of ISRO for a brief period in 2015? Shailesh Nayak. In which year ISRO launched its 100th satellite? Two 2018. Who was the mission director of Chandrayaan 2 and the deputy operations director of Mangalyaan? Ritu Karidhal. Who was known for the voice behind the launch countdown for Chandrayaan 3 and many other rocket launches? N. Valamathy. Where is Vikram Sarabhai Space Center located? Thiruvananthapuram. Which country launched ISRO's first satellite, Aryabhat? Soviet Union. India's first interplanetary mission Mangalyaan was launched in which year? Two 2013. What does L1 stand for in Aditya L1? Lagrange point 1. How many stages are there in the Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle, GSLV? Three. Who was the first chairman of the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO? Vikram Sarabhai.